A lot of my experiences actually came when I was an athlete. I knew, and I tell everybody, if you look at me, there's not much to me physically. You know, I was blessed athletically, yes, but I was not the fastest, the tallest, the strongest, none of those things. Yeah. And as I started to get higher and higher, most importantly in the professional ranks, I was the shortest, the smallest, the skinniest, all of it. And so I knew if I was going to make it, I had to have a different kind of edge. And that edge I knew was my mindset, my mental toughness. Confidence is a lot of it too, like Tammy said. And so I use those experiences to build up an edge to give myself something different over the opponents. If they were going to have me physically, then I was going to have an edge over them mentally. My shot is what got me there. My skill is what got me there, but it's my mindset that kept me there. So there's, you know, professional sports are very cutthroat. And my time there, I think there was 6 or 7 Americans that were cut within the first 2 months. And it was my mindset to keep me going that allowed me to stay throughout the entire season in that top league of Greece.